Morning, Amber. Amber, we literally need to leave in like 5 minutes. We gotta go. Please. No. I literally am begging you to wake up. 9:59, and we should leave by 10:05. Oh.
Good morning, guys. You might be wondering why I'm staying in Kelly's room right now. I'm visiting Ashley in New York City for the weekend, and this is where I'm sleeping.
We're really in such a rush.
Okay, let's go. Good morning, guys. So today I'm spending the day in New York City with Ashley.
Yes, sir.
And I'm turning into her for a day.
I have a very busy schedule or very set routine that I like to go through on like my favorite productive work day. So I'm gonna bring Amber through that. Of course, beginning the morning started with Orangetheory.
Waking up so early for this because my brain's on California time still because I just flew here from California. It's like 7 a.m. in my mind, so I'm actually dead as hell.
You had
Gray is bad.
You got the most gray.
I love your videos.
Oh, do you? That's so funny. We're literally vlogging from behind. That's so funny. Just did a class with the viewer and didn't even know.
It's just the three of us. I guess we're taking a shower here now because that's part of Ashley's routine. I feel like that's kind of interesting.
Okay, Amber's getting ready in the shower next door to me. Something that I do after every Orangetheory class is I take a shower because I just love to take a shower. It keeps you out of the house, gets your day ready, and then you're just all set to go. Also, Amber killed the Orangetheory workout, did some very heavy weights. I'm very impressed. It was a hard workout.
Straightening it.
Yes.
Putting this in my hair. Silk infusion. Scrunch. Scrunch. My hair is so frizzy.
You have to wear my perfume.
Oh, I love this perfume. Gucci Flora.
I used to do like this.
It's
Yeah,
still
a lot comes out. Leaving. Puppy. Just finished the workout, did our makeup, showered, and now we are going to get my favorite smoothies.
My legs are literally like about to collapse on the sidewalk
Okay,
right now.
actually, like...
That hurts so bad. During the workout, I was like, I'm actually gonna die after this. Like, I don't think I can walk around. Somehow I'm doing it though. Somehow I'm persevering. Should we do a little outfit of the day?
Yeah, that would be very Ashley style. I need to blend in your highlight a little bit.
Oh.
Every time I walk around the city, I look like a high schooler with a book bag on, so there's just no chance of me looking stylish ever. I'm wearing this little funky tote bag. This is from Morel. Then I have on these shorts that are from, I think like Sugar Thrills, okay. And then tank top from Brandy Melville. Shoes are New Balance 993s, I believe. Necklace from Remore and rings and everything else from Linger.
What is up, YouTube? We are back today with another what I'm wearing on a day in New York City vlog challenge. So this is my outfit. I actually don't know where this is from because it's all Ashley's.
You look so beautiful. Well, your earrings are from Linger.
Okay.
And then this dress is from Aritzia.
These shoes are from
New Balance as well. They're Olay 550s.
And then I got my classic panda necklace, and that's about it for me.
Yeah, and a Mystery Market bag.
This is the bag that a dog peed on in some park. This little random chihuahua just comes up to me and pees on my bag. I was like, why me? He literally just like ran up, lifted his leg, and then ran away. I was like, bro.
Did he have a leash or no?
No. He was just running around, but then later I saw some guy holding him, so I was like, you own this dog. And you let him pee on my bag. Interesting.
Interesting.
Anyways, I think if I don't get food, I'm gonna be dead soon. So let's get that smoothie. New York! I'm sorry.
Concrete jungle.
Concrete jungle where dreams
No one gives a shit.
are made of.
Can I do the antioxidant blend? And can I add kale, protein, and sea moss gel?
Can I get the Rasta Punch? We got the smoothies.
We got them.
Okay, I got a peanut butter banana smoothie with like protein.
And I got one with like tons of stuff. Spirulina, kale, goji berries, acai, protein.
Sounds a little crazy.
Yeah.
What's your
And
taste
sea moss gel.
Oh God, okay.
Cheers.
Mine dumb.
Something about the protein they use here is like so good, I swear.
I just love peanut butter.
Can I try some of yours?
Yours tastes like nothing, so that's good. Actually, that tastes crazy. Whoa. And then we got these little shots.
Amber got wheatgrass. Careful not to spill it on yourself.
Okay, yeah.
And I got lemon ginger. Cheers. Not me being the one that says don't spill on yourself. Ow, ow, ow.
All right, I think now we're gonna head to some workspace to do a little bit of business work on the true Ashley vibe. Let's go do that.
Guys, guess what we just did?
Beasted.
Beasted, beasted, beasted.
feasted.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, we just got back from working. Couldn't really film too much in there. Yo.
I literally look like I'm dead.
So Ashley and I just did a bunch of work. I was just trying to plan a lot of my like general life stuff. I have a lot of YouTube stuff I'm trying to do this summer. To help me organize all of that stuff going on in my life though, I like to use Notion. So I want to thank Notion so much for partnering with me on this video. I pretty much use Notion to organize everything in my life, from my personal life to YouTube work to college. It's just the one space where I can have all of my information, all my ideas, my schedules. So here I have all my tabs on the side. I have life stuff, YouTube, college, basically anything I could need. So both me and Ashley are some busy gals juggling being our own bosses with YouTube. We both had to do YouTube well in college too. So I have this college section here, and during the school year, this part is poppin'. And then I have this YouTube section, which I'm using year round. Even this video that you're watching right now was planned on Notion. So I had this whole to-do list of the stuff I want to accomplish in this video, and now it's happening in real life. So yeah, I just love Notion because it's so customizable. You make it work for you. It can be really cute aesthetically too, which is quite nice to look at. We're just two girl bosses who love Notion. What can I say? And if you guys want to try out Notion too, I'll have a link in the description where you can try out Notion for free. I would highly recommend it. Pretty much every boss I know in real life loves Notion. So consider that. Who do you want to be? Do you want to be a boss? Click the link, bro. So basically, anyways, I think we're gonna head out to lunch now though, because this girl's really hungry.
Yeah, I literally can feel my brain is just like shrinking.
Okay, so let's get some food in that tummy. Ashley's gonna bring me to her favorite Mexican vegan place.
Yeah, it's called Ja 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 or Ha Ha Ha.
I also have to find my wallet though really quick.
Amber just realized that she forgot her wallet.
I am afraid that I left it somewhere like in New York, like outside.
I think it's in Kelly's room though, but I go in there and Elliot's sleeping on the bed. It's so funny. That man is dead asleep.
What the hell?
Bro, I was not expecting to see Elliot sleeping in there. So we're gonna do a beet and pumpkin empanada, dinosaur kale salad, quesadilla, and a pollo coco taco.
Yeah.
Yep. It'll be more fun to do this vlog once you're eating food, I think.
No, this is probably exciting.
Okay, we got our drinks. This is the almond horchata. This is a watermelon mente. Cheers. I think you'll like this one better. Really? No, I love that one's good too. It's oh, really? Yeah. Well, they're both good. Cheers to an amazing day in New York City. Cheers. Cheers to being sisters. Cheers. I have boogers. No, I have boogers.
Beet and pumpkin empanadas. Vegan chicken tacos, I think.
Yes, delicious.
Never had an empanada. I don't know how to eat it. Whoa. It tastes like, I mean this in a good way. It tastes like something from like Chuck E. Cheese or like Dave and Buster's.
Wait, what?
Wait, you're totally right.
Yeah, it's like so good.
It literally tastes like an arcade. Wait, that's so random.
Taco time. Okay, next round. What do we got?
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla, and we have a dinosaur kale bowl.
It's like a pizza. Delicious food here today. DJ Khaled. Another one.
Another one.
Another empanada.
We had to get another beet and pumpkin empanada because so good. Nice.
You're beautiful. New York.
You're amazing.
Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. So how do you rate this dinner? I'll give this place 8.5 out of 10. Actually, I'll give this a 9 out of 10. It was really good.
Amazing.
Now we're gonna head home just to chill. What's up, bros? It's later in the night. It's like 10 p.m. We've just been laying around the house all day because we're both so tired from waking up early for the Orangetheory class.
The Orangetheory, it got me today.
Yeah, what the hell was that? What was that?
You know, sometimes I just come home, I just need to go on Instagram, I need to lay around and enjoy my life, so.
Yeah, so we were totally on those vibes today. But the other day we went to Chinatown and got some tropical fruit, so I want to try those out with Ashley because she's always doing that on her channel. And that is the main thing that I've always wanted to do that Ashley does. But first, I think this whole day we've been looking rather different. So how about we get on the same vibe? That's a great idea! Let's get this same outfit! Transition 1, 2, 3! Whoa, we're matching. We are sisters. Now let's try some fruits.
Dun, 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 dun.
Fruit time. time.
Let's eat these fruits.
Okay, so me and Ashley went to the Chinatown fruit markets a couple days ago. Stop eating it. I asked Ashley if we can buy some fruits that she'd never heard of, but I've been wanting to try. So we've got a great selection here today. Ashley wanted me to get a papaya.
Amber's never had a
I
papaya.
never tried it.
I love papaya.
Rambutan, longan, which Ashley never heard of.
Lychee.
We just love these mangoes. We've had this before.
Good
We love
mango.
it. This is a mangosteen.
I never had that.
And then this is not from Chinatown, this is from Trader Joe's, but cotton candy grapes for fun. What do you think we should start with first?
Well, I already ate these, so maybe you should just go for it.
I kind of did actually want to eat those first. Cotton candy grapes. Yep, those are delicious.
They're just so good. If it's out of all grapes, it's a 10 out of 10. The best grape. Out of all fruits, I don't know. I don't want to give it a crazy rating. 8 out of 10?
I'll give this a general 9 out of 10. Papaya is next.
Oh crap.
Oh crap.
The papaya.
Big spoon bite. That is good.
You like it,
That's
actually?
There's an underlying flavor.
Yeah, there is in a way, savory underlying
In a way,
flavor.
bathroom poopy diaper way. It is like 95% really good.
Yeah.
And then 5% is like, what is happening there?
Yeah, I kind of just try to ignore the 5%.
I'll give this a 7 out of 10.
You guys already know that I love this. It's one of my favorite fruits that I eat all the time. You know what? I just love it.
What would you rate this papaya?
I actually would give it a 7 out of 10.
Okay.
Like a little lower than the grapes.
Next up, I want to try one of these rambutans. Some of them are already decomposing. It's rambu time. Guy. This is beautiful.
It looks like an Eos.
I'm gonna take a bite. I ate the seed. That's good.
Could you describe the flavor?
It tastes very similar to a lychee. Has kind of like a jelly consistency.
It looks like a lychee.
If I had to compare it to another fruit, it's almost like citrus flavor, but it's like jelly.
Wait. To me, I would actually say this tastes to me more like a lychee, but with this underlying coconut flavor.
Yeah. That's a better description. How would we both rate this rambutan?
Low-key, I like it, but
It's kind of hard to eat.
hard to eat.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it like a 4.
I'll give
or
it
a 3.
Whoa. I'll give it a 5. It was good, but it's hard to eat. Maybe a little longan?
I'm thinking longer because what does that even mean? I have no idea what this is like. Okay, I cut it down the middle. There's a pit. I'm just gonna open it like this.
Whoa! Whoa, he's got a little hat.
For a second, I was like, whoa, this is so sweet, this is so delicious. But then it coats my mouth with this crazy texture or crazy feeling of like warm sweetness, maybe? I don't know how to explain that.
Longan. Really good initial flavor, and then it starts to taste like gasoline.
I feel like I rate it the same as the rambutan, like 4 out of 10.
I would rate this lower than rambutan, so 4 out of 10.
I'm thinking lychee next because that just makes sense.
Okay.
And I love lychees. Okay, here's the beautiful lychee. It's dribbling everywhere. Oh God.
Really?
Literally so much better than all the other ones I've been
Wow. My first time trying a real lychee.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That tastes just like my lychee boba.
Right? I rate this one way higher. I rate this one like 7 out of 10. Actually, maybe 6 out of 10. If I rated papaya 7 out of 10, I don't know.
I'll give the lychee a 7 out of 10.
Wow.
I want to eat the whole bag. Next up, we've got a mangosteen. So this thing is very foreign to both of us. I don't think it's red because it's literally rock hard.
I actually don't think you can open it.
Actually, we might have to give up on this one because the knife is not gonna open it.
Okay, I'm cutting up this mango. We already know it's gonna be bussin' and delicious.
This is the last fruit of the try-on haul.
Cheers. That's so good.
That is a 10.
That is a 10 out of 10 fruit.
Okay, from worst to best, we have mangosteen, longan, rambutan, papaya, lychee, cotton candy grapes, and the yellow mango is the winner. Well, anyways, now it's pretty late at night and I have not eaten a proper third meal of the day, so I think I'm gonna make something in the kitchen with any leftover ingredients I can find there. Because I know Ashley is pretty thrifty in the kitchen, using whatever she's got on hand. I'm gonna try and replicate that with my own meal. See you in the kitchen. Okay, I think I'm gonna make a chickpea, zucchini, and onion type of curry and then put on top of sourdough toast. We'll see how it turns out. I'm kind of just winging this. Now it's time for the spices. Salt. Water was added. I did not put enough seasoning, I just realized. Done. Pine nuts going in the toaster oven. Come with me.
Not bread.
Time to assemble this chickpea toast.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, it looks so delicious.
Basil. Roasted pine nuts. I'm too nuts. I'm about to do the Bobby Flay, Giada, Constantine, whoever that lady is. And there you go, a ciabatta toast, perfect for any family event. I'm Bobby Flay, and this is the Food Network.
Nice.
Taste test time. Oh! That's some good stuff.
It's I love it.
Thanks, Ashley.
Well, that's like the best thing I've ever eaten.
Thanks, bro. Welcome, Kelly, to the vlog. Here's a food to eat. It's a little chickpea curry with zucchini on top of a sourdough bread, topped with pine nuts and basil.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Last time I ate your food, it was salty AF.
No, that's in Ashley's vlog.
Yeah.
I pranked this dude.
Okay, we're gonna put hella salt and lemon in Kelly's potatoes.
Yeah.
Whoa. You good? Are we gonna prank right now or something?
No, it's good. You use like a little ketchup.
Oh,
Kelly, you
I was
did not
actually-
just say that.
bonk. Well, now that Kelly ate the food, I think I could end the video for the day.
Amazing.
It was awesome being Ashley for a day. Love to wake up in this house, use all of our clothes, eat all our foods.
And now I have to give Kelly a kiss goodnight. Bonk.
Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your night. Bye everybody.
Bye.
Peace.
So, it's fine.
Bonk. There you go.